Now imagine the same walls looking rich, stylish, and designer-made, without breaking anything or changing furniture. Most luxury homes don't depend on costly decor. They depend on smart wall finishes. In today's video, you'll discover decorative painting ideas that instantly upgrade your walls and change the entire feel of your home. Stay till the end, because the final idea is something most people never think about, but designers use it all the time. Why expensive furniture can't fix bad walls. You can buy the best sofa, but if the walls feel empty, the room still looks weak. Luxury homes always start with walls because they set the mood of the space. Decorative paint adds depth, style, and character without heavy work or high cost. One wall is enough. Feature wall thinking. Luxury is about balance, not overload. Instead of painting every wall, designers focus on one feature wall. This single wall becomes the center of attention and lifts the whole room. It's a smart way to upgrade your space without making it look crowded. Textured paint that feels rich. Textured paint brings life to flat walls. Soft finishes like sand, stone, or smooth marble effect create depth and warmth. These textures reflect light gently and make the wall feel premium. One textured wall behind a sofa or bed changes the entire room. Ombre walls for a smooth luxury look. Ombre painting blends colors smoothly from light to dark. It adds movement and calm at the same time. Neutral shades work best and feel modern without being loud. This style looks beautiful in bedrooms and relaxed living spaces. Metallic touch without overdoing it. Metallic paint adds a soft shine that feels rich, not flashy. Shades like gold, pearl, or bronze glow beautifully under warm light. The secret is using it lightly. When done right, metallic walls feel like a luxury hotel room. Clean geometric designs for modern homes. Straight lines and simple shapes give walls a modern edge. Soft contrast colors keep the design clean and stylish. These painted patterns work well for TV walls and home offices, adding structure without making the space heavy. Stripes that change how a room feels. Painted stripes are a smart visual trick. Vertical stripes make ceilings look higher, while horizontal stripes make rooms feel wider. Using soft tones keeps the look elegant. This idea is often used in luxury apartments to improve space. Panel-style walls using only paint. Panel walls look expensive, but paint can create the same effect. Simple borders and rectangular shapes give the wall a classic, rich look. This design is perfect for bedrooms and dining areas and adds a timeless luxury feel. Nature-inspired paint for calm spaces. Nature-based designs bring peace into the home. Soft leaf shapes, stone textures, and cloudy effects make the space feel relaxed. These walls are perfect for bedrooms and reading corners. Natural colors always feel warm and classy. Dark colors done the right way. Dark paint doesn't mean a small space. When used on one wall with proper light, dark shades feel bold and stylish. Deep gray, charcoal, or navy can add drama and luxury without overpowering the room. Color matching, the hidden luxury rule. Luxury homes follow one rule: color balance. Walls, furniture, and lighting must work together. Soft tones with one highlight color create harmony. When colors match well, even a simple paint design looks expensive. Lighting makes paint look premium. Paint alone can't shine without light. Wall lights and warm spotlights highlight textures and patterns. Good lighting turns a simple wall into a design feature. In luxury spaces, paint and lighting are always planned together. Small details that complete the look. The final finish matters. Clean edges, smooth corners, and neat lines make the wall look professional. Even the best paint can fail if details are ignored. Luxury is always in the finishing touch. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment which wall idea you loved the most. Thanks for watching.